Hi everyone, myself Bidyutlata Sahoo, working as an assistant professor in the Department of CSE, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In this video lecture today, I am going to discuss about the problem-solving question discussion on Fuzzy membership function. In my last video lecture, already I have discussed the Fuzzy set examples. In this lecture, I will discuss about the Fuzzy membership function. So after the completion of this course, students can examine the situations that are inherently fuzzy while designing the logical systems to deal with ambiguous data. So this is the course outcome for our course Applied Artificial Intelligence. Now let me discuss the first question. First question is related to the fuzzy membership function, the two triangular membership function. So we have to find out the value of x in using the triangular membership function. Actually, there are various membership functions are there. As I have discussed in my previous video, why the membership functions are used and how it acts. So as I told, like fuzzy logic, it is not a logic. It is a concept which is used in artificial intelligence to handle the uncertain situation or if the information is vague or imprecise. So membership functions helps to handle the partial membership whose values ranges between 0 to 1. So there are various membership functions are there like triangular membership function, trapezoidal membership function, sigmoid membership function, like this. So many membership functions are there. So based on the membership functions and their respective formulas, we can solve the problem. Now the first question is given that A is equal to 2, B is equal to 6 and C is equal to 10. Determine the membership value or membership function mu value, means membership value corresponding to x is equal to 8 using the triangular membership function. Here specifically it is given using triangular membership function, we have to find out the value of mu. So as it is as this function related to triangular membership function, so here three parameters are very important. One is A, another one is B, another one is C. Now, if you see this graph here, A and C are considered as the base and B is considered as the height. Now, at this now, and x-axis represents the crisp values. This x-axis represents the crisp values and y-axis represents the membership value. Okay, crisp value and membership value, right? Or the fuzzy values we can say. Now you can observe here when x is equal to 6 means at the point B, as I said, B stands for base and A and C are the end points or B is the height and A and C are the base. At the point A and C, the membership value is 0. Okay, at the point A and C, membership values are 0. But at the point B, the membership value is 1. Okay, at the point membership value is 1. Then what about if I say if my x lies between A and B or if my x lies between B and C, then what would be the membership value? That we need to consider. Based on that, the consolidated formula we have generate. So we can generate also. So if x is here in between A and B, then it would be like this. Somewhere we will get the membership value here. It may be 0.4 or 0.3 something, right? So the membership function for this, the membership function would be like x minus A divided by B minus A, right? If x lies between A and B. Same thing if x lies between B and C, the membership value would be C minus x divided by C minus B. Okay, what I told just now, if x lies between A and B, this is the membership function. If x lies between B and C, this should be the membership function. And at the point, if x is less than A and more than C, or exactly A or exactly C, then in that case, the membership value is considered as 0. And if x is at the middle point, at B point, then the membership value is having 1. That means it is having the fully membership. So these are based on these conditions, the consolidated formula we can generate. I'll show you what is the consolidated formula. Now this is the formula for the triangular membership function. Mu of triangle x semicolon A comma B comma C. That means for the value of x, for any value of x, by considering these three parameters, the formula for the triangular membership function is max of mean of x minus a divided by b minus a. That means when x lies between a to b, and c minus x divided by c minus b. That means when x lies between b to c, comma 0. 0 means if x is less than a or more than c. So this is the formula. Now we have to find out when x is equal to 8, what would be the value? Because in our question already given, the value of a is given, the value of b is given, the value of c is given. Now you can insert all the values in this formula. So x minus 2 divided by 6 minus 2, because a is 2, b is 6 here. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 6 here, and c is equal to 10. Already it is given in our formula. Insert these values. Now you find out this would be x minus 2 divided by 4, 10 minus x divided by 4, and find the minimum between these two. This should be, because now you insert the value, because for in our question it is given when x is equal to 8, what would be the membership value. So insert the value of x is equal to 8. So 8 minus 2 divided by 4. 10 minus x divided by 4, it will be 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Find the minimum between these two, then you find the max between this and 0. So answer would be half or 0.5. So like this we can find out the value of any value, any CRIS value and their corresponding membership value. Same thing, one more question I want to discuss over here. Given that a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 8, d is equal to 10, determine mu corresponding to x is equal to 3.5 using trapezoidal membership function. So here now I discussed triangular membership function. Now this is related to trapezoidal membership function. Trapezoidal, as it is a trapezoidal concept, so it requires 4 variables a, b, c and d. Now you can see in this picture, this is a, this is b, and this is c and this is d. And x-axis represents the CRIS value and y-axis represents the membership value or the fudgy values. So when the value of this CRIS value is equal to at this position, when x is equal to a or less than a, or x is equal to d or more than d, at that time the membership value is considered as 0 here. For a and for d, or less than a or more than d, it is considered as 0. Now what about b and c? When x is equal to x is at the point b or x is at the point c, they are considered as heights. Now you can see in this diagram we are getting the membership value as 1 directly. So for b, exactly c, we are getting 1. And if you consider this part also, between b and c, any value lies between b and c, their membership value will be considered as 1. But what about if x lies between a to b, this in between and in between, then what would be the membership value? Now same triangular membership function we can consider for this triangle. If x lies here, then it would be x minus a divided by b minus a. Same thing, if x lies between c and d, it would be d minus x divided by d minus c. So this would be the formula. Now combining all the formulas, we will solve the problem. Now this is the final formula for trapezoidal membership function. Mu of trapezoidal x colon a, b, c, d. We are considering these 4 parameters, and for any value of x we have to find out what would be the membership function. So max of mean of x minus a divided by b minus a when x lies between a and b, comma 1. 1 means if x lies between b and c, either b or c or between b and c. And this one is when x lies between c and d. So we have to find the mean of these 3 and we have to compare with 0 and we can find out the max value. Okay, so this is the formula for trapezoidal membership function. And in our question already it is given the a value is equal to 2, b value it is given as 4, and c value it is given as 8, and d value it is given as 10. Now you insert all the values. I hope you can understand. My mean of x minus 2 divided by 4 minus 2, comma 1, comma 10 minus x divided by 10 minus 8. So whole bracket, comma 0. Now in this here, this one is x minus 2 divided by 2. This one is as it is 1. This one 10 minus x divided by 2, whole bracket, comma 0. Now insert the value, because for us, we in our question it is given that if the value of x is 3.5, what would be the membership value? Insert the value of x is as 3.5. Here you will get almost 1.5 divided by 2, comma 1, comma 6.3 by 2. Find the minimum between these three and compare with 0 and find the max value. So we will get as 0.75. So this is the way if we know the formula, this formula for trapezoidal membership function, definitely we can calculate the membership value for any KISS value. So one more question is given. So given that m is equal to 10 and sigma is equal to 3.0, determine mu corresponding to x is equal to 9 using Gaussian membership function. So Gaussian membership function, as we know, it follows a symmetric distribution and the graph would be built shaped like a graph. Here m is nothing but the it is the height, we can say, or the normal distribution, we can say, and sigma is the spread over the distribution. Okay, so this is the height, m is the slope, or we can say this is the height, and sigma is the distribution. Okay, so here using this Gaussian distribution, what would be the formula over here? So if the value, now I'll show you the formula here. So mu of Gaussian x comma mu m comma sigma, that is equal to e to the power minus half x minus m divided by sigma whole square. Now you take the value of m, which is already given in our question as 10.0, sigma is given as 3.0, and insert the value of x for 9. Now you can get the answer 0.9459. Now another question, given that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 6, determine mu corresponding to x is equal to 8 using sigmoid membership function. Basically, this sigmoid membership function is used for classification work in machine learning, especially it is used in logistic regression. Okay, so here as per the logistic regression, we'll find out what would be the membership value. If a value is given, b value is given, for any value of x, what would be the membership value? So at this point, the membership value is 0. And at the point when x is equal to 8, you can see the membership value is equal to 1, it is given. Okay, so let me tell you the function for the sigmoid. Mu of sigmoid x colon a to c, where a is considered as the slope and c is considered as the intercept, then the formula would be 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus a whole bracket x minus b bracket close. Now here a is the slope, and c is nothing but the intercept. Okay, intercept. So this is the formula for sigmoid membership function. For in our given question, b and a values are given, and for the value of x, you insert all the values, you will get the answer 0.98. So this is all about for this video lecture. I hope you might have understood. For the preparation of this video, I have referred Saroscosic for artificial intelligence as well as the website which is given in the screen. You can follow it. Even for your reference, I kept the picture of the book which is available on the Amazon website. So thank you so much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.